4 a.m.?
Right now it is 4:35 a.m. and we are starving and we are hitting the road and there is food firing up. People are getting ready to get going on the street market.
Oh, there it is.
It's too liquid. We need solids.
Yeah. Hello.
I just said good morning.
Is this chicken hot? What are you eating?
This is liver,
Okay.
pork, and chicken.
Which one was your favorite?
I think the chicken.
Looks like you got a lot of empty stick in your head.
I only had 2. So you had 3. You have 4.
4 a.m. and we're here eating. Hi, baby.
Yep. We are chowing down on these skewers. So good. There's liver, pork, and chicken. And they have amazing flavor. And this guy here, he is making bread. I mean, talk about dedication.
Right.
Oh, what? What is
Wow.
he doing?
Look at that.
And he had me at making fresh bread, but now what would little dollops of water? Oh, to crisscross them.
Oh.
Smart.